You back from the break, part four of the YSL Young Thug RICO trial. Uh, Day 15, you got Trent, what is his name? Trontavious Stevens on trial. They back from the break. Tune in. Hit the like button. YouTube ain't showing me no love. I need y'all to hit that like button for me and get these
All right, ladies and
videos
gentlemen,
out
please be
there.
seated. All right, thank you, Sergeant Ingram. All right, madam, you may continue.
Thank you. Mr. Stevens, when you broke for the break, you were talking to us about factual acknowledgement number one. Could you please tell the jury who it is that you said passed away, that was YSL, who committed crimes in furtherance of YSL?
Yeah.
Who's that person?
Darius.
Darius. What was Darius's last name?
Ford.
And when did Darius Ford pass away? Was it in 2022?
Yeah.
And did he pass away along with
Saying it's the form.
someone else?
You were
Yes.
Who did he pass away with?
Christian.
And what was Christian's last name?
Macmillan.
Was Christian YSL as well?
Yes.
Were they friends of yours?
Yes.
I'm sorry for your loss. You said, though, that Darius was one of the members of YSL who committed crimes in furtherance of YSL.
Yeah.
Could you tell the jury what crimes Darius committed to further the notoriety, street credibility, and reputation of Young Limelight?
I'll sustain the form of the question. You can rephrase.
Why did you say that Darius committed crimes to enhance the reputation and street credibility?
So you asked me to name 3 people, and I was naming 3 people who sold drugs with me, and we often let it be known, well, they often let it be known that they wanted to do what I was doing. They wanted to be like me, and that's what I was doing, increasing the notoriety. And by them saying that they want to do the same thing as me, that's what gave me my factual knowledge of that they want to do the same thing as me.
Who told you, if anyone, to use the word factual knowledge?
That's what you said.
When did I say that?
You asked me, you said in question 1, upon the factual knowledge, if I'm not mistaken.
The factual acknowledgement.
Yeah.
How did your selling drugs and the other YSL members selling drugs, how did that increase the notoriety of Young Limelight?
I feel like it made people notice us because we had nice clothes, we were dressing nice, and we had money.
And selling drugs allowed you and other Young Limelight members to be more flashy?
Your Honor, if you need any question.
I sustain the objection, Mr. Form.
Cut this boy nuts in the sling.
And how did it increase the reputation of Young Limelight as a gang?
I felt like it increased because people were seeing us like have money and look nice. So it made it seem like what we're doing was getting increased. I mean, like, yeah, go ahead. They're all finished.
Did you let it be known that you were young Spine Life while you were selling the drugs?
Yes.
I'm going to show you, or actually, we have admitted State's Exhibit 11 uniform with permission to share the screen. We're going to put it up on the screen in front of you. Would you tell the jury who it is that we are looking at in State's Exhibit 11 uniform?
Demikian Garden, D,
Who else?
and me. Oh, okay.
Point to the jury where you are on that photograph.
I'm in the back.
And what is it that you're doing with your hand?
It looks like I'm pointing up.
And what color is the outer article of clothing that Demikian Garlington is wearing?
Red.
What color is the hat that he is wearing?
Red.
What color is the hat that you are wearing?
Red.
Do you still claim sex, money, murder?
I told you I claimed sex, money, murder.
Do you still claim sex, money, murder?
No.
What is one of the colors, the primary color for sex, money, murder?
Red.
I'm now showing you what has been admitted as State's Exhibit 11 uniform Bravo. Your Honor, if the court could move the block in the upper right-hand corner that says SCA 1C podium. We cannot be doing what we'll just do.
Are you asking us to move
The
the
square,
names to the like side of the, or the bottom of the screen?
yes. And then you can. I'm showing you State's Exhibit 11 uniform Bravo. Would you tell the jury, and I'm gonna just point to the various parts. Would you spell out who made the post in State's Exhibit 11 uniform Bravo?
SXAR_FAXE.
And were you tagged in this post?
Yes.
And how were you tagged at this time?
What's my tag name?
Yes.
ORIGINALSLIME_SLUG.
Okay. Now, are there emojis underneath that particular post?
Yes.
What are the emojis?
A snake emoji, a bee emoji,
What color is a snake?
green,
All right. And what color is the bee?
bee, red.
All right. Is green one of the primary colors for Young Slime Line?
Yes.
Is red one of the primary colors?
Yes.
And that bee, is that for blood?
I don't know. I ain't put that.
I'm going to now show you what has been admitted as State's Exhibit. Nine uniform. Would you tell the jury one more time who that is that's depicted in 9 uniform?
Me?
All right. And what is on your arm in 9 uniform? Is that a star?
Yes.
Is it colored in red?
Yes.
Does it have a B in the middle?
Yes.
What does your B stand for in the middle of that red star?
Can I explain?
You can tell the jury what it stands for,
So,
the B.
can I explain it though?
You definitely can explain. I'm asking you what the B stands for, though.
Yeah, I'm trying to explain what it stands for.
Okay.
So, I got this tattoo in juvenile. As you can see in the far back, the ink wasn't real. I got it like picked in with a staple. So when I came home from juvenile, it was just like an outline with no color in it. So Boo, I'm gonna tell you. So Boo took me to the tattoo shop to get it fixed, and he paid for it. And he used to often joke with me about it. The B stand for Boo.
What did you mean for it to stand for?
I just wanted it fixed. It was ugly to me.
Did you ask for a particular letter?
It was already outlined.
And so what was it standing for when it was outlined?
Boss, it got dice in the middle of it. We gamble.
Okay. Does that star have the 5 points to it?
Yes. Yeah, look like we got.
I'm going to show you now what has been admitted as State's Exhibit 12 uniform. Would you tell the jury who all is in State's Exhibit 12 uniform? And Your Honor, is the screen touch sensitive? Can you circle on it?
You can try.
Okay. Would you tell the jury who is listed in State's Exhibit 12 uniform?
From my left.
Circle and see if you can. Okay. It's not going to be touch sensitive? Okay. How about you just go ahead and tell the jury? Tell them what they're wearing.
From my left, that's Antonio Sledge. Got on black. In the middle, Shannon, he got on black. And far right is me. I got on red and black.
All right. Shannon, is that Shannon Stillwell?
Yes.
Is that the person you call SB?
Yes.
And is that the defendant in the courtroom today?
Yes.
What is Sledge doing with his hands?
Like he making a motion. I mean, he doing something with his hands.
Do you recognize the symbol he is making with his hands?
Yes.
What is it?
It's like makeshift guns, like he imitating guns.
And do you know what that symbol stands for?
Not by him just throwing it around.
Have you ever done it?
No,
You've never used that symbol?
not that I recall.
Okay. Do you know what Shannon is doing with his hands?
Throwing up 3 fingers?
Do you know what it's meant to stand for?
No.
When you were identifying Thug as a member of Young Slime Life earlier, did you see or were the letters and numbers SP5DER on his jacket?
Yes.
Do you know what that is meant to say?
Yes.
What?
Spider?
Do you know the significance of the number 5?
Yes.
What is it?
It's for an artist who passed away, Juice WRLD.
Who?
Juice WRLD.
Does the number 5 have significance in the blood bank?
Yes.
What is that significance?
I don't know, but I just know it's a number in the
How do
blood.
you know?
From hearing about it.
I'm going to now show you what we have marked as Case Exhibit 13 uniform. And in order to do that, I'm going to ask for permission to approach, Your Honor.
You may, madam.
And prior to approaching the witness, I asked Mr. Adams or Mr. Steele to observe what I'm about to show.
All right, gentlemen, you may come on up.